Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I will share about my video that I watched. And before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Saffana Danna with student ID 2052405. And this is the title from this video is How to Stay Calm Under Pressure from Noah Kaigama and Pen 10. And this is the link of videos, and I watch this from YouTube, and channel is TED. And next is why I chose this topic. First is because this topic is relevant and interesting for me, and second is this video have effective duration. Second is visual and narration supporting to understanding. And fourth is increased vocabulary and new insights. And next, what I do in pre-listening, while listening, and post-listening. In pre-listening, I read the title and transcript. While listening, I listen twice. One is without subtitle and one with subtitle, and look for unfamiliar words. And post-listening, I try to understand and look up the meaning of words I didn't know. Next is the content of this video is about choking under pressure. This phenomenon is known as choking under pressure when someone fails to perform at their best during critical moments even after a lot of practice. There are two main theories that explain why this happens. First is distraction theory. When we're anxious, our attention is filled between focusing on tasks and worrying about failure. That reduces performance. Second is explicit monitoring theory. Once a skill becomes automatic, offering how to do it can actually interfere with doing it well. For example, an athlete or musician who becomes too self-aware of their movement may perform worse. And next is factors that increase the risk of choking. First is tasks are difficult and require a lot of working memory. Second is anxiety, lack of confidence, and fear of being judged. And third is focusing too much on the internal mechanics rather than the core. And next is strategies to avoid choking under pressure. First is practice under pressure. Train in stressful situations so your brain gets used to it. Second is pre-performance. Routine small ritual before performing can calm your nerves and recreate consistently. Third is focusing on the goal, not the mechanics. For example, focus on delivering a clear presentation. Next is how the content relates to your daily life. Of course, this video is related to my life as a student, especially during presentation or exam. I often feel nervous and lost focus, even after studying. From this video, I learned that pressure can affect brain performance, especially working memory. This explanation and suggests strategies like creating a routine and focusing on the goal are very helpful and applicable for my daily activities. And next, how listening TED can help me in excessive listening. Of course, this channel is very helpful in listening extensively because all the videos are accompanied by interesting, funny, and have good animation. And then there also have a subtitle that make easier to us listen, because I often get confused if only hear just the audio. And next is my problem while listening to this video. I have difficulty understanding some new terms and words that were spoken quickly. I also found it hard to catch the meaning of long sentence in just one listen. So to overcome this, I use subtitle, and first time I watch, then I rewatch with without subtitle to test my understanding. And okay, that's all for me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.